What's up my stylish people, this is Shank, welcome back to this channel. But this video has nothing to do with the style, it's all about your safety. I am not claiming myself to be an expert here, but just I wanted to show you guys the types of masks available in the market because often finding a right mask is challenging. I find it challenging at least. The first mask you are gonna see in this video is an N95 mask. This is the mask you should go for to get the maximum safety. But often here the caveat is its fit. It is a one size fits all. If the mask is not fitting you properly, chances are there that you are not gonna get the maximum protection out of it. But this is the mask you should go for in the. And moving on to the mask number 2. These are the disposable masks. These masks offer you the least protection. The sides are not even covered as well. So this is better for using it as a second mask during this COVID second wave or maybe even third wave. Who knows? Moving on to the next category, which are the fabric masks. These are the reusable masks. You can wash them. So here the comfort, the fabric and everything comes into play. But these are the masks you should opt for when you're already practicing social distancing and also the best hygiene practices. Moving on to the next mask. This mask is from Jockey. It has this adjustable straps as well and it is priced at $3.99 for 3 I think. The Jockey mask also have a slight netted texture to it as well. Next mask is from a brand called Ramraj. These are the best value masks you can find in the market at a price point of 300 rupees or 400 rupees for 3 masks. For me, really well, and the comfort is also optimum and they are durable as well. Moving on to the next brand, this is a mask from Adidas Originals in one of my favorite color, which is the olive green color. You can get a pack of 3 for rupees 999. They fit you so well. They have nice amount of stretch to it and they are super comfy. You can select the sizes by opting for small or medium. Small is tight for me. Next up on this list is this premium mask from Rare Rabbit. Yes, they cost you rupees 999 for 3 masks, but there are even more premium version. Hold on guys, but these are really premium. They fit you snug, the material even feels smooth and these are made of high quality fabric and they tend to last really long. You can really invest in this mask and they come in this nice neutral colors. Next up on this list is from a brand called Tan Official. These masks comes with a mask chain and these are super expensive at a price point of 2,500. I have them in 2 colors. These chains, even though as weird as it looks, they come with a practical utility purpose. Whenever you are having food or some place where you need to take off your mask, often we find it challenging way to keep the mask. And we end up keeping the mask on the table, which can even contaminate the mask. So these particular chain masks can solve that problem. But I feel that as these are the designer brands making this chain mask, they are charging an exorbitant price of 2,500. You can get a cheaper alternative at a price point of 1,400 to 1,500. There are quite a few other brands which I used as well, but if I have to name one brand which I love for the clothing but not for the mask, it would be Jack & Jones. Please do not buy any mask from the Jack & Jones guys. They are pretty horrible in terms of the sizing. It is a one size fits all, but it won't fit for anyone. So the best mask, if I have to consider each and every aspect, and a price point of 400 rupees, I think you should go with Jockey. In case if you have a budget till 999 rupees, you will not be disappointed if you go with Rare Rabbit.